This video is to show you how to transition between our floor and a higher floor. This is one of the most common questions that we get. The best way to do this with our product is to use the reducer. However, it's important to keep in mind that reducers are designed to reduce a floor down to a lower level. So really the ideal solution in a situation like this is to use a reducer that is designed to work with the higher floor in this case. Unfortunately for many people, that higher floor is decades old and it would be impossible for anybody to find a matching transition for it. So there are solutions to use our reducer. To do this, you're going to get rid of the track entirely. You're going to install the floors up close, about a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch away from the higher level flooring. Just like our other transition pieces, you'll need sandpaper and some general construction adhesive. You'll start by sanding the bottom of the reducer. And you'll simply place patches of glue about every 6 inches apart. Now these areas where you place the glue, you're going to have to put quite a bit, because once you press the reducer down, you want the glue to be able to spread itself all the way under the reducer. By putting this only 6 inches apart, when you press the reducer down, the little bits of glue that do squeeze out, it's limited to those areas. If you were to put the glue all across the reducer, it would bond just fine, but you would have quite a cleanup, and it's not necessary. Once you've done that, you can tape the reducer down to ensure that it settles in place properly. After you've done that, you use paint thinner on a rag to clean up the excess glue that squeezed itself out along the edges. We have two examples of this, one going to an engineered wood floor and one going to a tile. Tile can be very easily damaged with paint thinner, so for this example, we're showing you that you can lay a strip of the tape down before pressing the reducer down into the glue. That way when the glue squirts out, it squirts onto the tape that can simply be pulled off and removed. If you'd like, you can also do that when transitioning to other types of flooring. If you have any questions, you can call, chat, or email us anytime.